Story 18. I noticed the son of a rich man sitting on the grave of his father and quarreling with the dervish boy, saying, "The sarcophagus of my father's tomb is of stone, and its epitaph is elegant. The pavement is of marble, tessellated with turquoise-like bricks. But what resembles thy father's grave? It consists of 2 contagious bricks, with 2 handfuls of mud thrown over it." The dervish boy listened to all this and then observed, "By the time thy father is able to shake off those heavy stones which cover him, mine will have reached paradise." And after death, you're not bound by what's on your grave unless you are responsible for the excesses. A donkey with a light burden, no doubt, walks easily. A dervish who carries only the load of poverty will also arrive lightly burdened at the gate of death, whilst he who lived in happiness, wealth, and ease will undoubtedly, on all these accounts, die hard. Well, you don't have to be so clingy to them. At all events, a prisoner who escapes from all his bonds is to be considered more happy than an emir taken prisoner.